welcome back. We're going to get into the BULU Box unboxing. I got 3 months of the BULU Box. The original one. Let's see what we got. So if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for joining us. If you're not new to my channel and you've been around for a while, I've been missing and I'm sorry. We've had things going on and I just couldn't get to YouTube. But I have 3 months, May, June, and July, of the BULU Box. If you don't know about BULU Box is a $10 a month subscription for health and wellness. They have a weight loss box. That's not this one. This is the original one, but they do have a weight loss box. It's $10 a month. I signed up quite a while ago when they had a $5 coupon for the life of your box. I do have a coupon down below. They don't offer the $5 anymore. They offer $7.99. So if you're interested, check that out. I'll link that below. And this is the May box. I was pretty happy with my BULU boxes, and I haven't had time to open up anything. There's paper and check anything out. So we're 3 months behind. Okay, looks like we got a lot of little samples of things. We got some Kids Complete Smarty Pants chewables, a little sample of that. Oh, here's another one. And there's a coupon for $2 off. We have SOS Hydration drink mix. This is coconut flavored that you add to your water. I don't know. I think I've had these in before and I don't think I used them, so can't say. This is Mint Run Gum Energy. It's got caffeine, taurine, and B vitamins, and it's gum. Caffeine in your gum. This is Prevagen Improves Memory Chewables. This is a free sample. Supports brain function, sharper mind, clearer thinking. Boy, do I need that. Then the next thing we have in here is this huge. What does this say? Animal snack, 26 grams of protein, made with peanuts, honey, brown rice, and oats. It's the chocolate peanut butter. That is... How many calories is in this thing? This is huge. 360 calories, 26 grams of protein. That is a great snack. I do like protein bars. I've never heard of animal snack before, so we'll try that. And then the last thing in here is a shift activity tracker, but you have to download the nutrition app that has tools available like voice activated food logging, a how do I engine for goal setting. The shift tracker is your gateway to creating a more optimized version of you, and then they have a coupon code for $10 off your first purchase in the Stir app. That's that, and I'm not sure about that. I paid $5 for that box, so I'm not disappointed because this is probably $3.99. But if this interests you, that's great, but this does not interest me. They've given me a $49 value, but it sounds like I still have to buy things, so I don't know. That was the May box. Let's move on to the June box. More cards, more cards. Sometimes they put cards in here that have nothing to do with what you're getting in your box. And you don't know what you're getting in your box. And if there's no information on it, you do have to go just search for the information. But here's the June box. It's quite full. And we have a sample of X-Clear, use X-Clear nasal spray and breathe better. It has xylitol in it. So it says go wash your nose and breathe. So we have this little sample, alleviates congestion, and there's a coupon on the back. So I like it when they do some coupons. Here's one that is a quick simple use for, this is 100% pure peppermint oil, abundant earth mint, and it has a whole bunch of simple uses. It says add a drop to hot drinks or baked goods, a 1-drop massage on each temple to help relieve headaches, 1 drop applied to a tissue directly under your nose for sinus relief, a drop to hot or cold water as an alert agent to soothe your stomach. Interesting little sample. Well, I love these. I love it when they send one of these. This is a huge wipe. This is a body wipe. It's lavender scented, so if you're, working out and you forgot your deodorant or whatever, you're outside, you're doing something, you're with friends, whatever, these are kind of nice to have. I actually had one with me. I was on the airport and my flight got delayed and then it got canceled. And so all my bags had went with the airplane, but I had one of these in my little carry-on that I had with me. And so I was able to just wipe myself down. So that was kind of nice. Here is some vitamins. Are these chewies? Yes, vegan. These are vegan gummies and they're iron chewables. We have a little electrolyte powder here from Stir. So they sent the Stir app last month, and this is single serve powder blended lemon lime. Ah, now I know. So here's the app. There's the little tracker that you get. It connects to your phone, I guess, and it's showing cups and powdered drinks. So Stir must be this. But here's a little powdered drink. We have InvigoFlex, glucosamine sulfate, and Boswellia serrata for joint function and cartilage. Do they know how old I am? I feel like I get things that's for older people. And then the last thing in here, which I'm really excited to see, is Mary Jo. It is Cell Candy, and this is a revitalizing and purifying toner. I love it when they send, this is 3 ounces of toner, so that's really nice. I really like that. Revitalizing and purifying toner. $24 off your purchase at maryjo.tv. Valid until the 31st of August. So here you go. Write that down if you're interested in Mary Jo skincare. So she's a TV host. Very cool. Okay, that box. Still lots of little bitty tiny samples, but that I'm, you know, for if you're paying $7.99 and you get a full-size toner, that's kind of nice. Okay, so now on to the July box. They always put their little blue thing in here that says say hello to your samples, but on the back of it, it says go to bulubox.com, my box, to find out all about your samples. So this is the box for July, and we have Megafood C Defense Tangy Citrus Gummies. So that's what this was about. There is a coupon on the back, so that's nice to go along with that. They have some Earth's Care Acne Spot Treatment, 10% sulfur. I don't have acne, but I will definitely share this with somebody that I know that does. This is some heartburn relief. Rapid action heartburn relief. Promotes digestion. My husband takes Rolaids every now and then for heartburn. It'll be interesting to try this on him. Axia 3. So you can see what the BULU box is like. They kind of got a lot of things about health and stuff in here. Flexitol Heel Balm. Oh, here's some heel balm. I'm going to give that to my mom because she has some really big calluses on her heel. Wow, we've got a lot of samples in this month. Here is some Minute Mixology Craft Cocktail Mixer. How cool is that? Spiced Old Fashioned, single serve, just add bourbon, water, and ice. Those are cool. Here's a margarita, lime and agave. Just add tequila, water, and ice. That's cool. And then this is coconut mojito. Just add rum, soda water, or water and ice. So those are cool. You got all your little powdered flavorings here, and all you need is the actual alcohol. Kind of cool. If you're into that kind of thing, that's really neat though. Okay, and then the last thing, okay, so we have another stir. So in May, you got the stir tracker. So this is a multivitamin that's a stir-in. So now I'm getting now what stir is, but it's a stir-in multivitamin. Not know how I would be on just a liquid diet, because that kind of sounds like it is. It's like shakes and things. I don't know. I can't say because I haven't looked it up yet. But this is a plant fusion, complete plant protein, amino acids. Okay, so it's a powder shake, drink, mix. And the last thing in here is vegan supplements in a daily tracking dispenser. What is this? Probiotics regulate digestion. Vegan probiotics. I don't know. Let's see what's in here. So this is Show Energy, digestive and immune health. So that's what it looks like. There's the pills in there. And from what I can tell, you put your dispenser, and it already fell apart. I think this is to dispense out your tablets. It just says you turn it to the correct dial and the dial to the correct day, and you start tracking after clicking. But a daily tracker. How does it? No, that's not. I don't know. That confuses me. Why do you need a dispenser to dispense your pill out for you? I mean, I get that where that might be for someone who has dementia or Alzheimer's that doesn't know if they've had their pill for the day. But reverse the assembled unit. Click paddles to release sphere gels. Here we go. I still don't understand why you need that. Why it says you turn it to the correct day. So you turn it to, I guess, there's Monday. And then you turn it upside down and dispense your pill. And then tomorrow when you sit down, you see that, oh, it's on M for Monday. Today's Tuesday. I need to take mine. I guess. I don't know. I just don't find that is, I'm not impressed with that. So there's my BULU boxes. June's I liked because of the skincare. I like this one for these. I think these are a cool idea. No to this. I'm not impressed with that. Maybe if you were an older person, but I don't consider myself older, BULU, so stop sending me stuff for older people. Okay. There you go. That's my BULU boxes for the month of May, June, and July. Thanks for stopping by and saying hi and hanging out with me for a little while. Let's just pull this up here. I don't know how, it just kind of like down here. But we're still working on our basement. Once we get that finished, I'll be able to spend some time back here on YouTube. I've missed you guys. And don't go away. We'll be back soon. Come back and see us again. Mwah. Bye.